welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day. Today we're going to be working on this very easy kind of go-to look that I do. It's kind of summery in my opinion. I do it a lot in summer. It's an easy go-to mommy look, and it is really not that hard to achieve. And this is going to be using that Maybelline Soda Pop palette that's come out last year. So to get started, we're going to prime our eyelids with the Covergirl eyeshadow base. I'm still loving this, by the way. It does leave a little tacky layer, doesn't dry down completely, and the shadows adhere to it very nicely. So the first shade we're going to pick up is Cola Float, and it's a matte brown, and it's on the warm side, so it's almost it's like an orangey reddish brown. But in comparison to the orange in the palette, this is nowhere near it. But it's a warm brown, and I literally just am windshield wipering this in the crease. The brush I'm using is a fluffy blending brush, so it is very fluffy, but it covers a big nice area of the crease and the transition area, and we're just going to buff that in there. I'm going to go back in the shade like 2 times and build that up, and then the rest you see is blending out. So next up, we're taking Tonic, and this is a nice shimmery champagne shade, and I'm just popping that on the lid and in the inner corner up there and slightly into the crease, if you can see that. And we're just going to be patting and blending that in with the crease shade. Let's keep building that up, and I'm using a small shader brush, and if you have small lid space, highly recommend that Real Techniques small eyeshadow shader brush. Perfect for the lids. Next up, we're taking Root Beer, and that is a matte dark brown, almost like a chocolate brown, and I'm going to pop that in the outer corner. Taking a small little pencil brush, this is from e.l.f. and it's the e.l.f. crease brush, and it's a tiny brush, it's one of the dollar brushes. So we're going to stamp that brown into the outer corner. Just stamp it in there, place it, and then we're going to blend it with all the other shades. And these eyeshadows in this palette take no time to blend. They actually melt together. They're very nice. So we're going to take Chilling and Ginger Ale and mix those and apply that to the brow bone. And literally the eyeshadow part is done. How quick and simple and easy was that? I hope it was easy for you guys to follow, and you'll definitely try it out for yourselves, because I love this look. Now next up, we're going to take a bit of Tonic, and this is on another pencil brush, and I'm going to be placing that in the inner corner. I'm going to mix it a little bit with the Ginger Ale shade and just get a bright inner corner there. And I love this look. I love how easy it is, how quickly I can get put together in the morning and go out the door. I love it. This is definitely one of my kind of go-to church kind of looks as well. I just love this look. And we are going to tight line and use some Unshakeable liquid liner. This is the WetnWild brow highlighter, and I'm going to place that in the waterline. I am loving this. We're using Rimmel's extra long lash mascara. Of course, I got it on my face, but if you'll be patient and wait for that to dry and remove it with a Q-tip, it won't mess your makeup up. Oh, here is the finished look, and the lips, honestly, I kind of regret topping them with the lip gloss. Nude liquid matte lipstick, and then that lip lava is from Covergirl. I don't know if they make them anymore, but it is like an iridescent gold topper. And yes, I regret the lip gloss, but overall I really enjoyed making a look for you guys. Just thought I'd give it a little bit more of a beachy feel. Now the setting spray was the Hard Candy Longwear setting spray. Set our makeup, lasts all day, and that's our finished look, you guys. That's it. That's all you have to do. Super easy in my opinion, and like I said, I hope it was helpful and that you will be able to recreate this look. If you don't want such an orangey shade in the crease, definitely use a more skin toned, cool toned shadow in your crease. You can always change it up and make the look your own, and you don't have to follow rules, especially in the makeup game. So I thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as product list. And thank you guys always for watching. Stay tuned for more makeup tutorials.